I'm Rick Stock, and I'm working with a team from CDPS, the Centre for Digital Public Services, on our Digital Landscape Review project. In the Landscape Review, we're taking a broad view across Wales to help us understand the kind of challenges and opportunities that those delivering public services are working with. And we'll then be using what we've heard and learned to help CDPS build out better, more effective plans to support organisations to deliver great digital products and services for Wales. So far, we've heard from a diverse range of people across government, local authorities, sponsor bodies and the health sector. And we've heard things like how COVID has meant that many teams had to revolutionise almost overnight the way that they worked as they shifted to remote working, and then how they've grown and adapted that through the course of the year. We've heard how organisations are adopting user-centred design approaches to improve the things that they do by understanding what it really feels like to be their customers and users. And we've heard some great stories about technology, how teams are making use of the cloud to make public funds do more with less, or using CRM systems to make it easier for the public to get access to the services they provide. And we're talking more about all of this, who we've met, what we've heard, and what we plan to do every 2 weeks at our show and tells. We publish a recording of that every time, and you can search for CDPS Wales Landscape Review on YouTube to see what we found to date. Lastly, we also talk about how you can get involved and make your organisation's voice heard. And we'd love to hear from you.